Working on my breakfast this morning. 3 eggs scrambled in a Ziploc bag in boiling water for 7 minutes. Dry toast, hot dog bun toasted. Working on a recipe for some cookies. 2 ingredients, bananas and coconut. Here comes the eggs. Cutting out the butter fat on my diet plan. As you can see, I could have added cheese and vegetables to this and made a perfect omelet. But you look at the inside, it's all cooked. Yeah, perfect. Get some flavor here. Cracked black pepper. Little pink Himalayan salt. And yes, it's going to be yummy.